The road crisis. I mean, you've traveled around the whole state. Even during my campaigns and the election, that was the number one major issue that everybody was complaining about. Every community, you ask them their number one priority, they will tell you road, number 2 road, number 3 road. And then, but then you travel around the state, many of the roads, even the existing ones, have given up. Major cities, Onitsha, Nnewi. I was at Nnewi yesterday for 4 hours, driving all around the place. All the roads are just very dilapidated condition. And then Onitsha, the same. When there, the major roads are broken down, and we have a state of emergency. I said it during the campaigns that I was going to declare a state of emergency, and I have done exactly that. I promised the Anambra people that Anambra will become one large construction site. And that's precisely what we're doing. Road construction in every local government will go on simultaneously. We've already awarded more than, probably now getting to 180, but we intend to get to at least 220, 250 in the coming month or so, as the case may be. And we're also having very kind of road design that we haven't seen before in the state in terms of the quality. You can see the contractors that sign up to guarantee these roads for 20 years. We're having cement stabilization. We're having the conventional stone base with the thickness that we haven't seen before. So it's key to building a livable and prosperous homeland. People have to move around. We have to decongest the traffic. We are building very strategic roads to link up the economic zones of the state, as well as the congested traffic, so that people can move around and increase productivity and so on and so forth. So it's at the heart of our agenda, so to speak. Of course, other sectors are also equally important and receiving priority attention. But infrastructure, especially transportation infrastructure, is one that Anambra we're facing head on. Security, life and property, health and education, and so on and so forth, the environment, and of course the governance, transparency, accountability, and prudence, the management, a whole lot of sectors that we are pursuing simultaneously. But I'm going around. But the beauty of our journey on this road thing is that I go to every road that we will construct personally and drive through it to get a feel of what the people feel, what the people go through on a daily basis. And then we begin the road construction. And doing that around the state has given me quite a good feel, and empathize with the people and tell them to just be patient. We are coming. Solution is here. Thank you.